Let's prepare to meditate. In this meditation, we will be lying down. Find a nice big space for yourself where you are not touching anyone else, and lie down on your back. Rest your arms and hands on the ground beside you so that you aren't using a single muscle to hold them up. Let your hands be soft and fall open naturally. Adjust your shoulders so they come away from your ears, and adjust your back so that it is tall and straight. Close your eyes and take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, you will need lots of space. Stretch yourself out nice and big, like a starfish. Make sure you are not touching anyone or anything. If you do touch someone or something, take a moment to adjust yourself so that you aren't touching anything but the floor. Now that you have found your full-sized space, relax your body as if you were preparing to fall asleep. Let your breath be slow and full. Now we are going to stretch our whole body to encourage our body to relax even more deeply as we recover from the stretch. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to slowly stretch yourself out like a starfish. Nice and slowly. Stretch yourself out in 3, 2, 1. Spread your fingers wide and point your toes. Stretch your whole body as big as you can, like a starfish. Hold for a moment. And relax your body in 3, 2, 1. Relax. Let's stretch out in the same way once more. Stretch yourself out in 3, 2, 1. Spread your fingers. Point your toes. Stretch your body fully and hold. Relax in 3, 2, 1. Relax. Let's do this again, but let's add a back and spine stretch in any way that feels good to you. Stretch yourself out in 3, 2, 1. Make your spine long, your fingers long, and your legs long. And hold. Relax in 3, 2, 1. Relax. We are now done with our stretching. Find a way to lie down on your back that is comfortable for you. Find a comfortable sleeping position. Now rest and breathe. and enjoy a moment of relaxation. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.